I'm exhausted.
Rossier. It's me, it's Drew.
What up, tubers? All right, so we got a brand new 2018, brand used, brand new to me, 2018 Yamaha YFZ special edition. We went through the walkthrough, linked in another video. Today we're going to be installing our brand new, this one's brand new, Rossier R5 full system. Shout out Pete Hager. When you go through Pete Hager, you can actually customize different colors and stuff like that, so definitely check it out. Link in the description. Aside from that, let's get things popping. Remember, I got no idea what I'm doing. I am not a professional. We are gonna f this up.
In the back, yeah. Don't grab the tips.
Don't grab tips. I'm not good at putting gloves on. This don't make no sense. No glove, no love. My content director is not approving of my, almost better. I made a grab it with the left hand. All right, we're gonna bust this thing open. So, like I mentioned, bro, check out carbon fiber custom black. Got the carbon fiber tip. Choose the redding, the writing to be red, the red writing hood. This is awesome. Super excited. Let's get this mother sucker on there. They say that the oils from our fingers will ruin the coloring in the titanium when it gets hot. So we're doing our best to glove up so we can get that sick glue. Kind of whack. $600 you don't get hardware. You heard that? $600 and you don't get hardware. $600? $650 and you don't get hardware. Usually this goes by way faster when you have beer. You need beer. Don't believe everything you on YouTube, kids. With the exhaust. I'm exhausted. Keep this. These are the old bolts. We got a bolt kit from Amazon for the YFZ. These were wrecked, dude. So we're just gonna throw some new ones on there. It's all stainless steel, so I hope it does what we want it to do. I mean, they said it. Back like we never left, dog. It's the only place I've ever heard that in my life. Alright, we're just gonna get this in there as a placeholder. It's barely hanging off. Rossier. What's up, dog? That backseat driver here is my brother-in-law. Alright, it's 9.4 pounds for the bolt. Oh yeah, look at that becoming wrecked. We want to do these evenly so only thing that gave us trouble on the fitment is the header bracket here hitting the head gasket. It's like a tab on the head gasket, so I think we're good. There's only one way to find out, but the other one, let's see it there. It's good to go. Super clean. We got ourselves a Rossier. Hey, it's Drew.